Inside and Out, Part 5, Sweet, Sweet Revenge. I can't believe that pig dressed up as our sister. Just sure how to get us back from high school. Yeah, it's very stupid. I'm tired. I'm getting to bed. Yeah, I guess me too. I'm pretty tired. Scoot over, please. This is my bed. Yeah, but yours is so comfortable. Just go sleep somewhere else. I have to get in your bad mood. Cops are coming. I better hide. They won't find me in this bush. It's so pokey. Stupid brown leaves. Where does she go? Stupid pig. Please don't mind that, guys. I really did not mean to do that. I thought it stopped, but it didn't. Perfect. Now I can go get my revenge on those two for what they have done. Perfect. I just know this is their house. Just to make sure. Perfect. Time to get my revenge. I should come in the back door. They won't expect me there. Perfect, I got in. The one who broke my heart. Perfect. What? Oh my God. No. No! Yes. Yes. I'm gonna kill you!